Oh, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Yeah, something might have happened in between now and the last video. I had to go spray painting colour. Well, I got lessons on how to do it actually. So it's now not in primer. It's blue. It's blue. It's got chromey things on it and chrome and a light. It's actually got more than one light because I've got the headlights sat in here until tonight when I was trying to put that badge, which one of the legs decided to snap off after I've just bought it, which was a slight disappointment. So yeah, I'm going to have to be very careful trying to fit that on next time. But yeah, look at it. It looks Reliant-y again. Isn't it fantastic? I'm so tempted to try and keep that badge on again. See if it doesn't fail this time. So what I'll do is, the badge is actually bent, so we're not going to use that just now. The badge has got a bend in the middle of it when you look at it. So what I'll do is just gently push that badge out. Come on. Out you come. There we go. It's got a little bend in the middle of it, so it's actually kicking out its sides. So I'll just give it a little push. Try it again. That one's on. Look at one that's bent on. It's bent between the A and the I. Just right in the middle, which as soon as I push it, it's probably going to go snap. Doesn't like that. Don't like pushing and chrome things. So that one goes on. That's a bit better. Let's try and put one of them in, and hopefully it doesn't snap. So line that up. Oh, it's on. Let's try the other one. I might actually be able to do a job tonight. Not break something. No. I might have just dropped the clip for a second time. I've done that twice now. There's one of them. So I should add, because a lot of you will be going, it's painted. Why is the Mark V not painted? Mark V is being done slowly. I'm working on it in between times. Ow. Oh, I pushed the thing off. Okay, that didn't work. That's not really what I wanted to happen, because now I've got a badge that's half held. I'm going to try and push the other one off now. I knew that would be a problem, badge. Right, I'll have to get a thingy before. Talk amongst yourselves. I'm just going to do this and then we'll talk about the car again. I should have maybe gave up when the badge failed the first time. So what I need is snips. We'll see if we can prise the thing off or break the clip. Don't want to break the other leg of the badge, otherwise we've just got a rubbish badge. It's not a good badge to get off that actually, because the snips are too thick to get in the back of it. Maybe try a screwdriver. going to be a pain in the backside to get off. Because it's stamped after. I should have fitted the broken clip first, but I thought it would behave itself. That's got the clip on. There we go, it's coming off now. Some of you may be going, why are you using so tight fitting clips on a badge anyway? And the easy answer to that is I had the badge stolen about 2 years ago and I'm not taking chances on an original badges again. So what I need to do now is get this. Oh, it's stuck to, the glue actually didn't stick to the badge but stuck to my finger. What I think I'll do there is just change that setup now. Do something different with that to hold it on. What I'm going to do I'm not too sure, but I'll think of something. But anyway, back to the Regal. So the Mark 6, Mark 5? Mark 6. Mark 6 is a different project. Mark 5 is a way to be painted as soon as I get the prep finished on it, which I'm just doing bits to help get it finished. So it will be happening soon. But the 325 was prepped for what I believed I was going to be on a TV show back in basically June, July time, which fell through. But I kind of thought to myself, well, I've got a car sitting prepped now, I kind of should maybe have a go at painting anyway. So that's what we did. Had a go at painting, got lessons, and yeah, for a first attempt I didn't think it was too bad. Right. Put the badge back together. I need to go with this. I think I'm going to have to think of a plan B. Not really sure how to think of a plan B with that, other than pour some glue in it and leave it overnight and try again. So I'll think about that one. I could use that open clip actually on it because then it's going to be easier to push on. So we'll see. Right, anyway, the Regal. So basically it's the blue is Olympic blue, it's called. It's the Ford Escort blue. So it's a lovely shade, it's came out. There's a couple of little imperfections in it. I'm not overly worried about them because I can get them fixed easy enough. There's nothing that I need to look at and go, oh no, I've messed it up. The bonnet is on the car for the first time since I've had it. It took ages to get that to work properly. Yeah, it's looking not too bad. And I found out it's not as late as I thought it was. So I thought it was 4,000 and something off the production line. Turns out it's 3,080-ish off the production line. So it's a very early Regal. So I can't wait to see it done. And hopefully get it on display next year in 2024. Yeah, 2024. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this short update on the Regal. I know it's very brief and it's a bit thrown together, but I'm just back from Inverness tonight. Because I've been working up there all week. So yeah. I just noticed something. Is that the same space? It is, it's the same space. Oh dear. Yeah, right. Anyway, I'm going to go and try and fix this badge again so I can get used to it because it's a really nice condition badge and I don't want to waste it. So I'm going to think of a plan to get this usable. Maybe liquid metal into there. I'm not sure. No, I don't want to build it. I'll think of something. So anyway, I'm away to try that. And I guess I'll put some photos and that up now of this town blue and getting up to this stage. So we'll see you very soon for building it up.